दोस्तों वो कहते हैं ना कि मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंख होने से कुछ नहीं होता, उम्मीदों से उड़ान होती है। So Ashish, you have secured all India rank 17 in the GATE 2021 Computer Science. So congratulations Ashish.
Thank you very
How
much.
you are feeling?
And so first of all, I would like to congratulate you, sir. You also have achieved a great record this year, beating your previous record, which is commendable. I'm elated, but at the same time, it was expected given the hard work that I did. I somehow had the confidence in me that I would do well this year.
That's great.
Okay, so the first and foremost thing, Ashish is a kind of very special to me. There are many regions here, and Ashish is from the engineering college, from where I have given the multiple results, and that is a Thermal Engineering College. And people know, right, just the way AIR 6 and Sankeet Purandare AIR 25. And then there is a Bhavesh Yadav, Karishma, Disha, Parth, Anand. There are many students, at least more than 20 students from his engineering college. They have succeeded. You may not be aware, actually Ashish came for the preparation for the GATE 2020. And he has also paid a part of the fees also. But if I am right, he got a job and there was somewhere posting something, right? Or some reason he did not prepare for GATE 2020. And I know that he knows about my students, right? Anant is his good friend actually, who is pursuing his MTech from IIT Delhi. So Ashish came to me on 14th of May. He called me and he said me that, sir, I would like to join VisionGATE. Actually last year I also came, but due to some reason I was not able to continue. I said okay. So very honest, without any editing, I asked him, right, can you share me the fee receipt of the last year? And he has shared that the same fee receipt. Okay, I said okay, no issues, you will get the right discount. And he immediately he joined. And he continued from the 15th May. Some people feel that can we prepare for GATE 8 months, 9 months or 10 months? Yes, answer is yes. You can prepare, and Ashish is one of the example for this. And he secured All India rank 17. And I have seen Ashish has initially started attempting the previous year GATE question paper, and he used to share on daily basis, right? What kind of marks he is getting, and I identified, yes, there is a spark in this particular students, and I have always promoted him. What happened before the examinations, 10-15 days, normally Ashish's mobile is switched off. I used to call him, we used to connect him, and our target was something different what actually Jaideep achieved today. Even we discussed among ourselves. Ashish tried for the All India rank 1, and he has prepared like that, and in many test series he has performed exactly the same. And yes, he had attempted paper very well, but I know after the paper I called Ashish, and if honestly I'll tell you, right, I asked couple of questions, some 3-4 problems. Unfortunately, due to slight mistakes, silly mistakes what you can say, but which penalty is very huge, and he did mistake. But fortunately that was the only mistake. Post that there was a no mistake, right? Otherwise we thought right what we have done in this particular paper. So post GATE paper, Jaideep went Goa with his friends, enjoyed the moments, and then suddenly he sent me the screenshot, sir, yes, I am getting right. Rank in top 20 hopefully, and today he secured All India rank 17.
That's great, that's great. And Ashish, I would like to ask that you have prepared for GATE in just 7 to 8 months. So how was your journey, and how you have coped with that situation?
So, to surmise it, yes, it has been an 8 to 10 month journey, that is true. But like sir mentioned, I did join VisionGATE back in 2020. It was a brief 1.5 week stint where I attended sir's lectures, and the thing was, I also had a backup of doing a master's abroad, and when I received an admit from the colleges abroad, I decided why to work so hard, just let it be. But unfortunately, we all know what happened back in the month of March. That is precisely the last year, exactly a year ago. COVID struck and I was stuck. So somehow I just arrived at giving GATE another attempt, and that is how the journey started. So yes, it was a 10-month hard work that I did. So coming to the question, is doing it within 10 months possible? Well, I am a live example to do it, to give you a brief one in it. But let me share you how the day went. So initially, one of the key things that a person needs in any kind of competitive exam, especially GATE, is that one needs to have a belief in himself, and secondly, one has to have the concentration to plan out things and to execute them. And that is how my everyday used to be. So there was a long-term goal that I had, which was set by sir, as to how the portion would go ahead. We would finish our portions we would finish our syllabus by the end of, I think, August, or was it September?
August.
Yes, somewhere around mid-September, I was done with 90% of my syllabus, and sir had clearly and strictly mentioned that you have to attempt all the previous GATE questions by end of October. And it was hectic for me, it was unbearable at times, but I stuck with it. And although what the expectations sir had set, I think I would not have met 50% of it, of the expectation set. But the bar was so high that doing 50% of it got me here. So it is actually his guidance plus the determination of my work, both combined, that have made it possible to finish it within the span of 10 months. So it is possible to finish it in a year, provided you have the ability, the determination to do so.
So Ashish, I would like to ask that this year question paper was little bit difficult as compared to last year. Last year means this is one of the difficult question paper of GATE. So how you have done that, and then you have secured all India rank 17. And what was your reaction after seeing that question?
Well, I think toughness of a paper is relative to everyone. If I think we also had a discussion. Sir and I had spoken about this thing, that what if the paper comes hard, and even he reasoned it out with me that if paper comes tough, it will be tough for everyone. You just have to keep your mind focused at it. You always have to be at your 100%, and that is all there is to it. The paper can be tough, the paper can be easy, it does not matter. What matters is you have to give your best.
Then I would like to ask the same questions to you as well. So after seeing a question paper, you have also analyzed that it was a little bit tougher. So then too you were quite motivated and you were quite confident about the results of your student. So how, means what keep you motivated about it?
So very important thing, right? Whenever you are going to play a match, you should be ready for each possible scenario. And I have coached my all students exactly in the same way. There was the case that we have solved very simplest problem also, and there was the case that we have solved very difficult problem also. Even a single problem in class we took 1 hour time to solve. So whatever variety of the problems we have done throughout the years, it comprises all the type of the problems. So whether it is a simple problem, whether it is a medium paper, or whether it is a difficult paper, right? I was pretty sure that if my students were able to deliver their 100%, then no one can stop them delivering the results. And this is the reason from last 4 years, it's not the year 2018, 19, 20, 21, right? Every year, people have given the best possible results. And if people are aware that once exam over first session, we have solved majority of the papers on the memory basis over board, and all of them were the correct answer, and we solved just in 30 seconds each problem.
So Ashish, I would like to ask the last question to you. As what advice would you like to give to future GATE aspirants?
Okay, so if you have been listening so far, I think the advice is already out there, but let me repeat it for you. It's determination plus guidance that combine you to achieve great ranks. There are two things, there is one which is hard work that secures you 50% of the marks, and then there is a guidance part that boosts somewhere 25 to 30% of your marks. In some cases 40%, you can check with Jaideep. So that is where the game played out. I was determined, I was putting in my hours, I was solving every sum I could with determination, with curiosity to get correct answers each time. And if I went wrong, I used to look up, I used to ask doubts to sir, I used to ask doubts to my friends as well. And it's the environment that pushes the last half, but equally important is the first half. So my advice would be, first is your determination to put in the hours, and second is you have to choose the correct guide.